Joining us now, Pat LaFrieda, celebrity butcher and CEO of Pat LaFrieda Meat Purveyors. Pat, thanks for being here. Give us a sense of what you're seeing in terms of pricing, both for meat sold in restaurants versus those that are direct to consumer.
Well, prices are up on both, and it really has to do with supply. Supply is low, and it doesn't seem to be able to correct itself anytime soon.
You've also historically noted the cost of logistics and delivering meat to individual restaurants. Is that still an issue as well? I know here in the New York area, they ultimately scrapped the plan for congestion pricing. I'm curious if that stabilizes things in your opinion, or if that is still quite high as well.
It leaves a bit of uncertainty. I think that it was a ridiculous idea, only because Manhattan is an island and it needs to be supplied. So, and it just is going to add to inflation. Many ask me, Pat, why don't you just add that to your expenses and, raise the price? Ultimately, the customer's paying for it. Right, the customer's already paying for it and paying too much for it. So you're going to see attendance in restaurants it's going to be lower this season as beef prices go up, and our costs, especially costs to deliver, trucking is very important. As those rise, restaurant prices must rise. Labor is at a very high rate, and put all those things together with a low supply of cattle, we're going into some very dark times for meat prices.
Pat, I wanted to take this in a slightly different direction with a simple question, which is, in your view, what is the best cut of beef to make the best burger? Maybe we can't go in that direction. Looks like we might have lost the connection with Pat. Pat, are you still there?
That looks delicious.
That is a shame.
That's such a tough question that he just couldn't even answer it.
I like bison.
Oh, really?
What was the question?
Wow. I mean,
healthier too.
What's your favorite type of steak? I go for lean.
Kansas City strip,
Filet.
obviously.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
But for burgers, you wanted a bit more. Oh, he's back.
Oh,
Pat.
yeah, see, we tap danced and...
Pat, you've had time to think of the answer. Maybe you didn't hear the question, so I'll repeat it. But my question was, what is the best cut, in your view, of beef for a burger?
I'm the third generation to come to this conclusion, but it's outside skirt steak. But you're asking what's the best type of beef for a burger?
That's right.
Or whole cuts of beef, which our family recipe calls for two-piece chucks, which is the chuck and clod, and the brisket. And I know that down south in barbecue establishments, they're not very happy with the amount of brisket that we use in grinding, but it happens to lend an amazing flavor, and it's been part of our recipe for 3 generations.
Pat, real quick, just to come back to something you've led with and mentioned a couple of times, explain to our viewers what is going on with supply in terms of beef and why it's so tight.
Well, we are facing a drought, and I think that right now we already started with low beef supply, and any slight thing that could affect that supply chain is going to affect pricing. And in this case, it's the drought. I have to say, throughout my entire career, I've always heard this same rhetoric about a drought affecting beef, but it's ever so true here. And the price of labor, it's very high. So, and then there's most of our product is all natural, never ever, no antibiotics, no growth hormones. That beef is even at a higher rate and continues to increase to the point where if the economy stays like this, and there's a great demand for beef, but at the same time there's not as much money to spend on it due to the high prices, that demand for antibiotic free is starting to slip a little.